In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now select sounds and vibration. And here just click on ringtone, select the SIM card that you would like to change this ringtone to, and as you can see here we've got the whole list. Let me show you some of the ringtones. And then you can also pick something from fun or retro. I will pick, for example, Joyful Steps as my ringtone. Then just go back, and as you can see, it has been changed. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.